I wanted to share a quick tip that I really like. I have an accountability partner in health. A little bit more than that, but we mainly concentrate on health. So every week we check in and we walk. And then we say, hey, and today's actually Thursday when we walk. And so we'll check in and see how we're doing. A tip that she gave me when we're walking, I absolutely love. Hey, look, I'm over 50. I have to go to the bathroom a lot. If you're not there someday as a woman, you'll sadly learn. And so what she said is, how can you build micro habits, right? And that will help towards overall goals. So one of my big goals, I'm doing really well, 80 ounces so far. I got to get a little more, but having 80 ounces of water consistently for me is really good. Every time I have to go to the bathroom, right before I do, I take a big sip. So for you, maybe it's every time you have to go to the bathroom, you do 5 push-ups. Or, I'm a huge fan of gratitude, right? That helps clear clutter in all areas of your life. So maybe when you're in the shower every morning and you first start the water, you say 3 things that you're grateful for. So come up with little habits that work towards your goals that you can fit in naturally during the day. If you keep doing those 5 push-ups 8 times when you're going to the bathroom, that's 40 push-ups in a day. So just think, what little micro movements or micro habits can you do that are going to support you and your overall goals? For 10 free tips how to declutter your life, go to reawakenyourbrilliance.com.